It's a pony kind of Christmas in every color shade. All around the world of Equestria, it's Christmas time here today. It's a pony kind of Christmas, its light never fades. All around the world of Equestria, Christmas is here to stay. Christmas is a time of joy, when the light of friendship burns bright. Taking time for family, to recall the past and do what's right. And outside gentle snow is falling, forest creatures keeping warm below. And all through